Welcome. In this lessons, we're going to cover Introduction to Pandas. The notebook was designed by Maxwell. Now, Pandas is a Python library that provides a collection of powerful data structures to better help you manage data. And this lecture, we will cover how to use the series and data frame objects to handle data. These are both native to Python, the data types that's built into Python Pandas. Now, these objects have strong integration with NumPy covered elsewhere in the lecture series, allowing us to easily do the necessary statistical and mathematical calculations that we need for finance. So the first thing that we're going to do is import NumPy, Pandas as PD, as well as matplotlib for plotting and visualization. With Pandas, it is easy to store, visualize, and perform calculations on your data. With only a few lines of code, we can modify our data and present it in an easily understandable manner. Here we simulate some returns in NumPy, put them into a Pandas data frame, and perform calculations to turn them into prices and plot them, all only using a few lines of codes. So let me just scroll this up. So if we look at this, the returns is a variable whereby we store the randomly generated normal distribution with a mean of 1 and also standard deviations of 0.03. We are generating these random numbers, but with a dimension of 100 rows and 10 columns. So once we generate these, we store them into the Pandas data frame and store it into the variables called returns. And the prices is the returns, cumulative product of it, and we plot it and we call it with a title, or give it a title, randomly generated prices, with the x-axis calling it time and y-axis price. And if you can see that, you basically generated, if I can read this correctly, 10. That's really what that 10 columns is. You have generated 10 asset prices. These are cumulative price, which is this one here. Well, it's the cumulative products of the returns. So that's the price all starting at 1. And voila. So really just a couple of lines and here you go.